in. Now this is a video you've not seen in a while. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. It's going to be a Julep Maven unboxing video, a mystery one, because I have no clue what month or year this is from. If you're interested in actually learning more about the program, I'll put my playlist in the cards. I go over all the details and updates of the program. It's basically a monthly subscription service that you can skip, and they have, they're well known for their nail polishes, but now they have hair care, skincare, and makeup, so just to sum it all up. Again, I'm kind of like a beauty junkie hoarder, and I will get these things, initially go through them, set them aside, and then film these videos, not knowing what month or year they're from. So I am going to show you what's in this box and actually go over the values of everything. I am a Maven Plus, so whenever I get boxes, they're $39.99 each time. But I'm basically going to show you whether or not that $39.99 is actually worth it. And so, Julep, they package their stuff very well, very cute. If you can put it on, you can pull it off. Hashtag brave pretty. Beautiful glittery tissue paper. And then here's everything right here. Oh, no. This must have been a fall box, because here's a promotional card. Fall 2015. I wonder if this is December 2015. Good Lord. But yeah, a coupon code that they gave me. And then they always include a card talking about the theme and whatever new product that they're showing. So, but yeah, that was their theme. They always include an inspirational quote. I need the seasons to live to the rhythm of sun and rain. Sophie Marceau. And this was definitely during the fall 2015, because around Christmas they have like awesome sets, holiday sets that you can buy for gifts. And this is a little booklet that basically talks about all of them. And then I got my products right here. Julep almost always, which I'm absolutely positively not going to eat this because this isn't good anymore. But this is a Tootsie Roll Caramel Apple Pop. They always include some sort of treat in their boxes, which I think is a pretty nice touch. Yeah, I'm sure that sucker is not good anymore. But it looks like I got 3 nail polishes, an eyeliner, and the Freedom Polymer Top Coat, which I love. I actually did a review forever ago on it. It literally dries your nails to a gel finish in 5 minutes. You can go out and you can go on with your day literally after 5 minutes, and it allows your polish to last longer too. But anyway, I can put that video up in the cards. But yes, this first one is called Nicola, and it looks like it might be a jelly finish, maybe. It's a pretty, like, salmon glitter color. Yep, this polish, even though it's over 2 years old, still looks good, still looks very fresh inside because it's never been open. But yep, that is Nicola. Ooh, this looks really pretty. This one is called Maggie, and it looks like it's just like a regular metallic glitter. Ooh, that is very pretty. It's like a purple metallic with blue glitter, micro glitter in it. Hopefully my camera and my lights are properly showing that. And then the last polish I got, ooh, this is called Chris. And I think I got this mainly, I think I got Nicola mainly because I like the color and I have a friend named Nicola. And then one of my besties, Chris Elise, she goes by Chris, spelled with a K, I believe was my motivation for getting this one, because this actually would fit her perfectly. It's like a silver metallic with a holographic glitter. I am going to have to show this to her. Absolutely, that is her personified in a nail polish. And then the last thing I have is one of their gel eyeliners. This is full size, and of course those nail polishes were full, well, everything's full size in this box. And this is just a basic black eyeliner. They promote this as being a long wearing. Of course I'm gonna put this to the test and see, because I am extremely oily, and nothing wants to stay on my face. it just broke on my hand, which is understandable since this is so old. But no, that does glide right on. It's very pigmented. And then there is the actual pencil. And then the last thing I'm not going to take out of the box, because if you're familiar with the company or if you've seen my review of this, you would already know that this is the Freedom Polymer Top Coat. They call it Freedom because after 5 minutes you have the freedom to go about your day. But this stuff is awesome. I almost always, with every Julep Maven box that I get, always throw one of these in here because it's not cheap. But if you include it in your box, you basically get it at a discount, so. Alright, well. I'll throw up the value of this, I'm assuming a fall Julep Maven 2015 box. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in a comment. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications and become a part of my notification squad. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you'll see me again hopefully very soon.